How to add circle in Life360 mobile app. So let's get started. Open the app and then it's super easy. Click on this family. And here you can select between circles. If you don't have circles here, just create a new one. And this is how can you basically add a new circle. So it can be extended family, for example. Here we go. Now we can send them the code. They can join your circle. And if you go back, you can easily switch between circles. So if you want to see your friend circle, just click on it. And now everything is set up for your friend's circle. And if you want to change to your new circle extended family, just simply click on it like this. And that's it. This is how can you do it. After that, if you select this circle, open the settings with this widget, and then you can manage your circle here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel.